What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a portrait of Friede from Pokemon Horizons. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page at the bridge of the nose. We're going to start from the very top. We're going to come down and give it a slight bend out toward the left. And we'll angle this down and then in. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. On the left side we're going to leave a gap, draw a straight angle line going up across the top of the eyebrow. I'm just going to angle this down on the end. Now I'm going to leave a large gap and do the same thing on the right. So starting right about here, angle this up, then out, and then angle this down. Let's move down and draw on the eyelid. We're going to start with the left, starting right here, angle this down and in. Let's go back and draw a straight angle line coming down and then out. Leave a gap and draw a straight line coming in across the bottom. Now let's add that fold across the top of the eye. Start with another straight angle line coming up, and we'll angle this down. Now we push the iris and pupil towards the right. So in the center, draw a slight curve going around, move over towards the right, curve in the opposite direction, and then in the center, draw a small black oval for the pupil. Now let's line up the top of the eye over on the right side. So right here, it's going to angle this down and in. And slope the eye, coming down and then out towards the end, and give it a slight bend on the end. Let's go back over towards the left side, step down, draw a straight line going across the bottom of the eye. Now let's move up and add that fold. Again, starting with that straight angle line coming out towards the side, and then bend the inside. Now again, we're just going to push the iris and pupil towards the outside. So let's start in the center with a curve, go to the outside, add another curve, then add the pupil in the center. Now with the eyes complete, let's move down just underneath the nose and add a curve for the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, then it's up, and then down. Go back over toward the left, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down, and then back up. And then on the end, just going to draw a short line coming in to separate the teeth. Now with the face complete, let's move out and draw the side of the head. From the top of the eyebrow on the left, we're going to step over, draw a straight angle line coming down and in towards the jaw. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing, coming down and then in towards the same height. Let's round out the jaw, come down an angle towards the chin, and we'll round out the chin, go up on the right side, and then round out the jaw. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the goggles. On the left side, we're going to curve this down in towards the eyebrow, and then pull that up in the middle. Do the same thing on the right, coming down and then up. Let's round out the side of the goggles, going out and then back in towards the top. Now we're going to go back to the left side. We want to bend this up and then pull this down in the center. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's go back to the side of the head and add the ears. We're going to start up here with a straight angle line going up on either side. Bend the ear, going out and then down. And we'll pull this down and in towards the earlobe and then up in behind the jaw. Now inside the ears, we're going to add that fold. Starting from the side of the head, bend this up and then out. Go back to the inside and add the hook. Now we're going to draw the strap going around the side of the head. Let's start from the top corner of the goggle, bend this out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll bend this down and then in towards the side of the ear. Now we're going to go back to this point, bend the strap going up and then in. Let's go back to the top of the goggle in the center, draw a straight line coming down. Now we'll separate the goggle. Start with a curve going out, come down, and then out towards the side. Let's round up the side of the goggle and go up towards the top. Let's add in the lens. We're going to move over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down. Now let's trace the top of the goggle, leaving a thin gap, going around the side. And then the side and the bottom, we're going to add a slightly wider gap. Coming down, and then back up. Now let's layer the hair in behind. From the top left corner of the goggle, bend this up, and then in, come down, and then out. Bend this up and then in towards the center of the forehead. Go all the way across the top of the head, and then out towards the side. Now we want to create an overlap, so we're going to step back, add another curve, going out and then down, round at the end, and pull this in towards the side of the head. And just going to tuck this in behind. Let's go down to the side of the ear. Draw a curve going up and then out. Bend this down and then in just underneath the earlobe. And step back, going out and then down. We'll curve this back in underneath the head. Now from the jaw, we're going to step in and draw the side of the neck. Let's start on the left. Come straight down, and bend that out. Same thing on the right. And step up, curve this around and then in around the collar. Let's close off the side of the neck with a curve just along the side of the collar. Now in the middle, let's add a curve going down and then up. And we'll add the collarbone. Start with a straight angled line coming in towards the middle. And we'll bend that down on the inside. Let's go up towards the top on the left side of the chin, add a curve for the throat. Now we're going to finish off with the top edge of the collar, starting underneath the head on the left, then this out and then down. Go underneath the hair on the right, do the same thing. Round at the collar, pull this in, go out and then down. Let's finish off by drawing the top corners of the shoulder, going out and then bending that down towards the bottom, and then line this up on the right side. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a drawing of Friede from Pokemon Horizons. If you want early access to Sketch Saturday art camps and workshops, join our free VIP mailing list. I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.